Cold, frosty morning in Missouri. We're out here trying a random spot this morning. There's kind of a frost out on the ground. We've never hunted here before. I'm going to turn out and see what we can find. You got Brian out here hunting with me today. There he is. Got a dog box full of dogs. Got the old Browning Light 12 on my dog box. Here we go. We're working this thicket here. Here go little Shelby, 7-month-old puppy. Some dogs over here with Brian. Here goes Molly. Lightning. Good job, guys. They ran this rabbit out of hearing and back. I mean, he went up way over this hill and he went far, and he was coming back and running this wood edge here. That's a big rabbit. He ran far. Little Shelby, you like that rabbit, huh? You like that rabbit? Good job, guys. Let's go find another one. Come on. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Good. He's dead. 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 Good. Taking him to the woods. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I don't know where it went. I know I got him. He's right here somewhere. Here he is. Right here. He's dead. He's dead. Good. Good. We got him. We got him. Good. We got him. Good. He's dead, Molly. He's dead. Good. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Ryan with the kill. He took its head right off. They ran this one up this, looks like a ditch right here, and kind of went up and around, and they were going kind of slow because it's so thick and nasty, and they ran through down in here. They passed me and then went all the way down there, and Brian was down at the end. I saw a dolly barking on that one pretty good. Guess what she did about 30 minutes ago? Yeah, she barked on some deer tracks. There's a puppy for you. Luckily, I was able to stop her. She's gonna get a shock collar from now on. Can't trust her. Shelby's got it. Come here, Shelby. Good girl, Shelby. Come here, Shelby. Come here, Shelby. You like these bunnies, huh? Come on, Shelby. Good girl. Come here. Good girl, Shelby. You gonna start retrieving? Brian got that one. You gonna start retrieving? Good girl. Good girl. Alright, that's the end of the hunt. 12 rabbits, 2 limits, 2 hunters. We got 11 dogs. Struggled a little bit, but I did pretty good. Conditions weren't the greatest today. We got Molly back on the team. We got little Dolly. Got Lightning, Snoopy, Duke, April, Lucy, Blue. There's Leah, that old lady. She's 9 now. Bandit's over there. He doesn't get along with the other males, so we don't put him up here.